Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Guess what? My friend and I went to Michael's to check out if they had any more of these grab bags, and they did, so I got a couple more. I'll be unboxing box number 3 today. Okay, box number 3. So let's pick the first item. What do we have here? We have a 2-piece treat box, and these retail for $5. This is pretty good. You can put pastries and use it as a gift box. That's super awesome. So let's look at the next box. Okay, we have a duplicate. Always can use these boxes. The next one is a small piece, and it's called Be Jolly. They are decorative toppers for $3. Super cute. We have baking cups. I'm definitely going to share this with my friend Rose, who loves to bake. This is $2. And what do we have here? Oh, how cute! An adorable jewelry set. I love this. I have a dog. It's a necklace and a cute little heart charm. $9.99. I really like this box. Okay, next one. I feel ribbons. Wow, okay, this one's a pretty wide wired ribbon, and the retail price for this one is $15. Wow. So we've already made our $4 investment on this grab box. Let's see the next one. We have table scatters. Love this. And you can also embellish your DIY greeting cards with these snowflakes. $5 for that one. The next one are these Styrofoam Snowballs. This looks, I don't like the quality. You can just see the glitter all over. So this might be a donate. Retails for $14. So I'll put that on the side. Next one, we have some tins over here. This feels empty. These retail for $5. So if you've seen my first video, I had a box filled with tin cans. So this is from the same Christmas series. I have another tin, and this time it has some deers. Oh, I love this look. This one is empty as well, so we have one box, and this is $5. And I feel we have some bakeware cookie cutters. This looks like a Christmas tree on the back of a pickup truck for $2. That's the retail price. Another one in a snowflake. I love this box. Oops. This one is a ornament. And then the next one, what is this? Reindeer droppings. So there's chocolate and some vanilla something here. This one retails for, there is no, it's a slimy mix. That's what it says. I don't know what it is. I'll have to look that up. The next one, I feel this straw. How adorable. $14.99, and it is a cat meow little cup with a straw. And it's intact. It's not broken, so I love that. That's super cute. Next one, more cookie cutters, which I'll definitely be sharing with my friend Rose. She loves to bake cookies, and this will be perfect to package in those tin cans. $10 with different little cutouts of a gingerbread man and snowman. That is super cute. Let's see what else we have here. Okay, so I'm seeing some doubles, and this is perfect for sharing. I love this. Definitely going to share this. Again, $10, and we'll add up and see how much we have all together. Next one, I got some tins, and this feels a little heavy, so it's $5. How cute! Okay, so the last haul I had for the Michaels one had only one of the gingerbread ones. So this one looks like it has 2. No, there's 3. Let me open this off camera. That's cute. Seasoned eatings. That's adorable. Okay, I love that. So these retail for $3. The next one down is $4. Love this box so far. And I'm seeing repeats here, but always can use these treat boxes for putting any holiday gifts, so definitely we'll use that. Oh my. And we have a bunch of these Jolly toppers. And there's a $3 retail price. Oh, I love this. The next one is called Puppy Love. Definitely going to use this. $14.99. How adorable. Love that. Let me see what else. I feel something squishy. Body glitter. Interesting. We can definitely use this also on some card making. For some shaker cards. I think I'll work. Retails for $2.99. Something tiny, a little Merry Christmas magnetic frame. So we have that. Retails for $1. Another tin can, and it looks like we have a set. We have Mrs. Claus. So a couple of these. Hold on. More tin cans, definitely going to be sharing these. So we have several. This sounds like it has three different sizes. Oh, and I love this. I'm so glad I got another one of this. I really like this. Oh, oh, a little surprise. These are perfect for cookie stamping. We have some snowflakes, little ornaments here. And I know who this is going to. My friend Rose will love this. So we have that. And oh, how cute is this snowman? And we also have a little like Christmas light. And these retail for $2. So I'll put that over there. And all that clanking in the background, I will show you in just a second before that drops. We have, oh my goodness, a handful of these cookies. I'm definitely gonna make some kits that I can give out for Christmas with some baking shortbread cookies and then include these in the packages. I think that would be great. And more if you guys. This time it says fa la 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 la. And then we have Be Jolly. So a lot of these toppers for cupcakes. You can also use them as stirrers if you'd like. And wow, a handful of all these cookie cutters. Wow, so much to share with friends and family. So I'm definitely going to share this. I'm going to donate some to my daughter Emmy's classroom. They can use this for clay molds, like to cut clay. So we have, wow, over 20 of these guys. That is a lot. Wow. It's never ending. So there you go. And wow. And one last item. It is a book. I love it. It says Santa's Magic Key. How adorable. I love that. And this retails for $20, $19.99. Oh, how cute. There's an envelope in there. I love this. It's an interactive book. Oh, how cute. Look at the illustrations in here. This is a keeper. Love this. Okay, total retail price for all these items was $307.97. And our total savings comes to $303.97. What a super deal. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Thanks again for watching. Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.